Now, on a more serious and definitely a funny note, I last night saw a Facebook post in my feed that said that South Africa is to lead Africa's first ever moon mission in 2029. And then I read the extract, and I wasn't sure if this is a joke or not. So I went to the article and I asked the article about this, and it confirmed that this is real. So I asked, is South Africa planning a moon mission in 2029? And the answer is a resounding yes. South Africa is leading Africa's first ever lunar initiative, the Africa 2 moon mission, which is scheduled to launch in 2029. Now, you will be happy to know that it will be launched from China and not from South Africa. But the people involved in this are competent students at Stellenbosch University that developed the balls up that we are going to be experiencing. So instead of an independent rocket launch, the South African payload will hitch a ride to space by flying aboard China's Chang'e 8 robotic lunar lander. And we will see if this lunar lander can land successfully. The mission objectives: low frequency radio astronomy. So they want to see if you can communicate to Earth using very low frequencies. The mission target: the lunar south pole, to study radio signals below 10 to 20 megahertz. Very low frequencies indeed. These frequencies are usually blocked out by Earth's atmosphere, making the lunar surface a perfect place to capture them. Now, why did they call this balls? Obviously a bunch of freaking naughty boys. They had to somehow force the acronym balls. The balls deployment, the payload consists of 3 specialized composite spherical antennas, humorously named balls, bounced African low lunar spheres. These prototype spheres will form the foundation of the world's first lunar radio telescope array, so that they plan on putting 55 antennas on the moon in future. So the Pan-African mission, while the initial 2029 technology demonstrator uses 3 spheres, the long-term roadmap aims to place 55 antennas on the moon, one representing every single country in Africa. Wow, so sentimental. So you can go and read up more on this. There's a lot of information. I dug into a lot of information with regards to this, but the comments to this Facebook post is hilarious, and I'll give you a link to this Facebook post so that you can go and laugh too. So the first person said, these are bedtime stories, and then the next person says, please make sure you take all parliament members with. And then the next person scrolls past quickly. Well, I actually went and asked to see if this is real, and this is a serious mission. And I will give you a link to an article where it's also discussed in Tech Central, why South Africa is sending spheres to the moon. Stellenbosch engineers have built electronics for Africa's first moon mission, flying with China in 2029. So I'm not going to delve into the detail. I want you guys to go and read that for yourself. But whether you find this exciting or not, the comments are the most entertaining. He will come back with the moon this one. Oh, Cupcake, you make me smile, because in the picture they have Cyril Ramaphosa smiling there about our moon mission. How about you arrange to fix the potholes here on Earth first, okay? That's about the highest you can aim for right now. Lol, you're cute though. What the shit? The next one. Then the moon needs to up its security ASAP. From someone that I actually know. The Mooney says, by then he will have no lights to see the bloody moon. What a moron this guy is. Someone else saying that the moon doesn't even exist, or we can't go to the moon. Please send Cupcake, Juju and Zama first, never to return. So these are the kind of comments being made. Absolutely hilarious. You can go and have fun. You can just imagine all the cartoons that's going to come out of this, when there's actually a very serious project behind it. And I will discuss with the members in detail what is actually behind this project. Thanks so much for watching this video. Sometimes we just have to laugh at the balls ups that we create. Thanks Stellenbosch for that one. Till the next video.